Welcome back to this video. In this tutorial, I will show you on how to check any Android phone mode without any stress. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more tutorial about Android phone tips and tricks. So with that being said, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to simply head over to your phone settings right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down to the last button of the phone where you have about phone. So where you have about phone right here. So click on about phone. So it's going to take you to this particular page. Now, right here, you have your Android version. This phone right here is Android 7 version. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to check any Android phone mode or any Android version of whatever Android phone you are using without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial about how best to use Android phone. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.